2022 Ram 3500. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.